Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. Hope you all are fine. In previous lecture, I told you about the process of photosynthesis and its importance. Photosynthesis is the process in which plants make their food by using the energy from sunlight, and this process takes place in the leaves of the plant. So we can say that leaves are the food factory of the plant. During this energy of sunlight is used to combine water, carbon dioxide and minerals. Along with the food formation, oxygen is also produced during this process. And this oxygen is used by human beings for breathing as well as animals. The rays of sunlight enters through a leaf through its stomata, that are small pores in the leaves. In cities, due to a lot of air pollution, the pollutants get stuck and form a covering on the leaf so that they cannot breathe or get carbon dioxide or sunlight. Due to this reason, this is not good for plants and they cannot produce their food. If plants are unable to photosynthesize, it means there will be no oxygen for animals and human beings, and it could be harmful for us as well. So we must keep our environment clean, and we must wash the leaves of the dirty plants to keep them strong and healthy. Today we will study about some great scientists from history. Aristotle was a great thinker and scientist. Aristotle wrote many subjects about physics, poetry, biology, zoology and many others. He was a great scientist and thinker, and he was a student of another great thinker, Plato. Aristotle was the first to introduce idea that nature is composed of things that change, and that studying such changes can provide useful knowledge. And this great idea helped the other scientists to study a lot about the nature and to discover great phenomena and processes. Aristotle was also a teacher of great scientist Alexander. So here in this box, Aristotle, who is the teacher of Alexander, and he knows very well about, and he knew very well about many other subjects and natural phenomena as well.